Yeah, very latest news. So who will be the final with us? Abba, Australia. So we'll get cup or not? Tell me that also. Huh? Tell me that. We'll get cup this time. Let's see. Then we'll make party. Monday we'll get party, okay? Who is the dad fan of Rohit Sharma and who is the dad fan of Virat Kohli in our class? Indian fan. Rohit Sharma fan should give the cake. We can't, these Australians are very difficult. So we need to do more hard work to beat them. They started very slowly, no? And then now in the finals, you are saying. Finally, you joined this class, Saurav. Meet your new batch, guys, Saurav. He's very good at Python.
Mm.
So now we are in the list concept, ma. Strings concept is over. And I created an assignment. You need to write up. After the class, you start prepare the write up. Okay. Today I will stay till 12 o'clock. Okay. You can stay here only. You can start the write ups. That is. Okay. Strings assignment is created, write up. So once you write up is done, then we'll give the assignment on string. Assignment on strings. But the pattern is very same. So what is the pattern we are following? Tell me. Read the strings. And then once read the string, you have to take an immediately type you need to calculate. Maximum you need to calculate. Minimum you need to calculate. And length you need to calculate. So whatever it is, where it is a list, where the string, where is the dictionary, whatever it is, you need to do this kind of things. Type, max, minimum, and length. And then you need to do the in operator. You need to which operator, ma? In operator. Once whenever you look about the in operator, immediately you need to iterate the loop by using for loop. By using for loop. Or if you want to print the by using for loop is fine, or in operator as well as range function also you need to do. In and range. And you need to get the difference between when you to use in operator, when you want to use the range operator. That difference you need to get. In operator and range operator. And then we need to get the index operation. Whenever you done index operation, immediately you need to learn about the mutable concept. Mutable concept. Then index and mutable is done. And then you need to write about the slicing. You write about the slice. So once slice is done, then this part is completed. The basic part is analysis completed. And next is the immediate part is called what? Methods. Immediate is what? Now methods. That is called either string methods or either list methods. The architecture is same. The architecture is same. The same architecture will follow now for the list also. Let's look about the list now. List is nothing but array of elements. Array of elements. Array of elements. That is the list. Array of elements. Hey Kumar, after a long time. ఇంటికి వెళ్ళి ఇప్పుడు రావడమా? Array of elements. So string is with the quotes, correct? Strings you need to write in the quotes like Python. Like Python. So list one. Don't write list ma. So list is in which color? Green color. It is a keyword. You should not write like that. List. That's why take the list one or list two like that. Give any other name. So list one equal to square bracket. You need to write what? Square bracket. Suppose 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. And it is a list 1. 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. That you are good. Now, what are the different types? We can see that here. Now list 2 equal to, I am writing A, I am writing B, I am writing C, I am writing D. So list 2 equal to A, B, C, D. So numbers are possible. You can write numbers and you can write strings. You can write strings. Let's take the combination of both. Let's take the combination of both. List 3 equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, A comma B comma C comma D. That is equal to list 3. Yes, both are working. List 3 is working. So combination of both is working. So now list 4 will take list 4 1 comma apple comma 10.5 comma 10 plus 20j. Now list 4 is also working. List 4 is also working. So what is your observation now? Out of 5 lists, what is your observation? What are your 4 observations? List elements can be any data type. List elements can be any data type. Write that observation. Yes. You want to write Boolean values? Write Boolean values also. True. List elements are heterogeneous. What is this, ma? Heterogeneous type. Heterogeneous means different data types. Different data type. Different data types are allowed. List elements, heterogeneous data types are allowed. List is an array of elements. Next, list 5 is equal to 100 comma 100 comma 100. Tell me. It will take all 300s, it will take only 100. All 300 or 100. Or pakka? List 5, very good. So, what is your observation? Duplicates are allowed. Duplicates are allowed. Duplicates are allowed. And list we can take anything, any data type, kuch bhi data type likh do, it will come. Don't worry about that. And next, list 6 equal to apple comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. So list in list. List in list will work or fail? Works or fail? Works. Pakka. Deepak, tell me, works or fail? Works. So list 6 works. So list in list also will works. List in list also will work. Should you try any other thing now? Tell me. Any other experiment? Any other way of to write? Any data type you can implement in the list. Ma. Any data type. We learn so many data types: integers, strings, boolean, complex, float. String also one data type. List also one data type. Tuple also one data type. Dictionary also one data type. Everything you can implement in a list. All are data types only, right? Everything is a data type. Everything you can implement in a list. So that is no worries that. Tuple in list also you can write. Everything you can write. List 7, but I did not return the tuple and dictionary, right? So it might be confuse you, but list in everything is will works. Heterogeneous. Heterogeneous. So okay, reading the list is completed. What is the next one? Do it. Take one list, any one of list, your wish. Which list you like? List 1 or list 2 or list 3, list 4, list 5. Take that list and get the type. Get the type. 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 Type of list 3. I like list 3. What do you like? List 1 or list 2? List 1, 4. Like list 4. All. List 3. So what is the type is coming? List is coming. LIST. Very good. So next, what is there? Take list 1 and list 2 and list 3. Okay. For list 1, for list 2, for list 3, apply the maximum and tell me what you are understanding. Apply the maximum. So this is a type. So this is a practice as well as the concept. How we done for list strings, the same thing we are implementing for list now. So you should remember this, the way how we are doing, and you need to explore yourself. Apply the maximum now. Apply the maximum and tell me maximum of list 1 what it is coming, maximum of list 2 what is coming, and what is the maximum of list 3 what is coming, and how why it is coming. Tell me the answers. When you came money to Hyderabad today from Bhimavaram, what do you bring us? Kakinada Puthrekulu. What is famous? In Telangana, always only one is famous. Mutton, chicken, drinking. We can't bring extra other than that. List 1, what is the value? What is the output? Tell me. What is the output? What is the list 2? D is output. Why D is output? Tell me. Because of ASCII key value. You know how to get the ASCII key value of an element? What is the keyword? What is the keyword? ORD, right? ORD is the keyword. If you forget, I will kill you. What is the keyword? Reverse is what is the keyword? CHR is the keyword. CHR is the keyword. Very good. And what is the last one? Error is coming. Why error is coming? You can't compare the different data types. You can compare only the people. Okay, you should compare only human beings, but you can't compare human beings with what? Animals. Animals is a different case. Human being is a different case. Both can live in this world. Both can live in together in the list, but you can't compare both. You can't compare both. So list 3 we got the error because we can't compare. We can't compare different data types. Different data types. That is only you are getting, right? We can't get the string and integer. Read the error properly. Read the error properly. I'm applying the print. I'm applying the print. I'm applying the print. I'm applying the print here. Because I want to see the values, all the values, I'm applying the print. So max is a keyword, right? That's a max of bracket is coming. Whenever the keyword is there, keyword will come start. Whenever the method is there, dot method bracket will come. Understand the difference both? We already seen. Print is what? Is a keyword. That's a print of bracket. Max is what? Is a keyword. That's a max of bracket. But you are not doing like this, no? List dot to max. Like this you are not doing. Like this you are not doing. This is a different way you are doing. That is the keywords and method difference. So 4D, and what is the error is coming? This not supported between the instances of str and integer. Two different data types we can't compare. So that is the error. Straightforward error, right? Yeah. Now let's same for minimum quickly. Do it, not try it. How it is coming? Now these all are like Jujube for you. You should do a explore and you should tell me that now. That is. Now what the minimum is coming? If you know maximum, you know what is the minimum, right? Simple that is. Here one is the answer. Here A is the answer. Again same error. Again same error. Now apply the length. Apply the length. Apply the length. Apply the length. So length will give only the how many elements are present in the list. Correct. Length will give the number of elements. Here number of elements is how many? 4. Here also 4. Here 8. 4, 4, 8. That is the length. Whenever you have only numbers is there, there is one more keyword is there. Sum keyword is there. Sum. Okay. Apply sum. Apply sum keyword. Sum. Keyword name is called sum. Sum is a mathematics intuition or any English intuition? Mathematics, right? So only works on numbers. Same. Sum bracket keyword, right? That all I am telling. Keyword means first that only will come. Sum bracket, maximum bracket, minimum bracket, print bracket. Because these all are what? Keywords. All are what? Keywords. Sum of list 1, 10. You are adding all the sum now. So print of list 1 and print of sum of list 1. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Now the same thing if I apply for list 2, what happen? List 2. Error. Unsupported operand types for integer and str, which means it is very, very simple common sense, ma. It is you take sum, you take eval, you take range. These all are which category? Mathematics category. Which category? Mathematics. Sum, whenever you hear the sum, you remember the maths. Whenever you listen eval, you remember the maths. Whenever you listen range, you remember the maths. So maths only will works. other thing will not works. That is a very, very minimum common sense. Okay. That is sum. So sum is done. Next, minimum is done. Maximum is done. What is left in our architecture? In operator now. What is there now? In operator. See, we are following the same similar pattern. Very easy that is. Now list 1, take the list 1 equal to. Now 1 in list 1, true or false? 1 in list 1 or not? True. Again 2 in list 1, true or false? Again true. 3 in list 1, again true. 4 in list 1, again true. And suppose 5 in list 1, that is what? False. Remaining all are true. So when I write like this, immediately what I need to think, can I iterate through for loop? Can I iterate through? That is the immediate question you need to guess. Can I iterate through for loop? Can I iterate through for loop? So whenever you want to for loop means what? Instead of writing 4, 5 lines, you need to write only one line. You need to write only one line, and that line should take care of everything, right? So what is the generalized expression? What is generalized expression? Which is changing, which is common? Tell me, Priyanka. 1 in list 1, 2 in list 1. What is common? What is changing? Tell me in your eyes, which letter is changing, which letter is common? 1, 2 is changing. I same, NN same, LL same, everything is same. So whatever same is, we'll write same only. Whatever changing, we'll write here. What will write? I. What will write? I. So this is a generalized expression. So now that's why what we'll do, for I in list 1, we will print that I. We'll print that I. Then it will come as 1, 2, 3, 4. This is everyone good? We done the same thing in strings. Very good. So in operator we are good. In operator we are good. So one in operator we do good. Next apply the concatenation. That we forgot actually. Concatenation. Concatenation. List 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4. List 2 is equal to ABCD. List 1 plus list 2 you do. What is the answer? List 1 plus list 2. I will add 2 elements and tell me list 2 plus list 1. Both are same or both are different? Both are same or both are different? Different. So print of list 1, list 2 and print of list 2, list 1. Whichever is coming first, and that is the coming only. First in, first out. Simple. That is. But this output is not saving until unless you create a new variable. Okay. Now, if you list 1, list 2, what happen? You want to save in, you want to take that a new variable. A new variable is a new list, suppose. Then you write the new list. Then the output is saved in a new list. Otherwise, this output is not saved. Output is not saved. So this is called concatenation. Again, list 1 multiply with 3. What is the answer? List 1 plus list 1 plus list 1. Correct? List 1 plus list 1 plus list 1. That output is equal 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And list 1 minus list 2. List 1 into list 2. And list 1 divided by list 2. All are fail. All will fail. Agree with me? You always remember the logic like mathematics. Suppose a matrix A is there and a matrix B is there. Matrix A is there, matrix B is there. And a matrix A is there and matrix B is there. So 1 comma 2 is there. 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 You are dividing two matrices. What is the answer? What is the answer of this? What is the answer of this? Tell me. Dividing two matrices. You are new to class often. You are not attended string class. We done right. String 1 minus string 2 is fail or success. A minus B. What happened? A minus B. What is A minus B? That only. A into B. A divided B. Tell me, what is the answer of this? Matrix division is not possible. How many knows this? Raise your hands. Matrix division is not possible. That's why A by B is equal, we will write A inverse B, na? A by B, what will write? A inverse B. Matrix division is not possible. Why matrix division is not possible? Because matrix is not a number. Matrix is a information. Matrix is a information. 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. 4x plus 7y is equal to 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, x comma y, 7 comma 8. You will write right equation. You remember that? X comma y z. It's the information it is. Matrix is the form of information. Same way, the list also will not work. These divisions that will not possible in the list. Whenever the 10 by 2 means 10 by 2 means how equal to 5 is? How it is 5? Tell me. Ten by 2, how it is 5? 2 5 is equal 10. You are again multiplying. Okay. How become 5 into 2 equal to 10? That means you will learn in the childhood, you will not learn divisions and multiplications first, no? What you will learn? Plus and minus you will learn first. Correct. Then 5 into 2 means how much? 5 plus 5. That's why you are saying that next you are telling to your kid, instead of writing 2 times, you can write this method also is works. That you will tell to your kid, correct? And the same way, what you will tell? 10 minus 2. How much is coming? 8. Again 8 minus 2. How much will come? 6. Again 6 minus 2. How will come? Like so on, so on. At 5 times, the answer will be 0. That's why you will say 10 by 2 equal to 5. So whenever a division is there, minus will come. Whenever plus is there, multiplication will come. Correct? Whenever plus is there, multiplication will come. Till 3rd class, we will learn plus. Till 10th class, we will learn multiplication. Intermediate, what we will learn? Integration will learn. What will learn? Integration. Same. Till you learn minus, you learn division. What will learn here? Differentiation. If you understand this, you will good at mathematics. These concepts. Okay. So area under the curve means summation. Multiplication, summation. Plus summation. Differentiation, minus. So that's why if division is not possible, minus will not possible. Okay. That is interlinked. Both are interlinked. Okay, I will give one more question. Tell me. Tan 45 degrees is equal to how much? Very good. Then 45 degrees equal to? Why tan inverse? Why can't 1 by tan? Tan 45 is not two persons. Tan 45 is one person. Tan 45 is a combined. It's not two persons. It's a combined. You can't divide 45 separately, tan separately. Okay, that's why we can't write 1 by tan. That's why we will do tan inverse. That we will learn in our school days. 1 by a equal to a power minus 1. 1 by a equal to a power minus 1, and slowly we are upgrading our maths. So maths is our comfortability, how you are achieving the big complexity problems from basic plus and integration, how we are transforming, minus to our differentiation you are transforming. The programming language also same only, the shifting. What are the possibilities are there? What are the not possibilities here? That's why the errors are coming. I can't compare A to 10. No one will compare A to 10. That is. So he can't also able to implement using Python. That's it. I can't divide the matrices. I can't divide the list because that is not a number. It is the information. So I also not able to implement using Python. So what is we can able to do math, that only we can able to implement using Python in some other way, either straightforward way or in the modification way. You will say that, sir, I will change into character number. I will get the ASCII key number. I will divide, sir. You will say that. Because again, what is the base? Maths only, na? We dividing the both numbers or not? Yes, that is possible. Think like that. Whenever you are getting error means that math is failing. Go to the base level of math. Then you will get to understand the errors. Clear? Understood often? Very good. Next. This all will fail. If you don't learn these tricks, how can you teach your kids tomorrow? Nowadays kids are very sharp and they are not like us. What is the name of that kids now, this generation kids? That is the old one, no? Generation Z, 96 after. This kids, millennium. I think millennium, Millennium kids. Do you know every generation there's a name is there? Don't say that, don't know. Those who are born after 96 is called Generation Z. Those who are born after 85, 89 is called Generation Y. This generation kids are millennium. That means every generation changes. Automatically, the way of thinking also is grows. That's why these generation kids are very fast. I learned when school days at 6th year. I'm 6 year old. Now the generation kids are going 3 years old, no? 3 years old, 2 years old. Even we go 6 years old also, I didn't get anything. ABCDs 1, 2, 3. Now the generation kids are telling rhymes, ABCDs 1, 2, 3. My kid also plays piano also. That is. And my birthday, she said happy birthday to Babai. That is. With playing piano. That is. These generation kids are, and she is only 4 years old. So this generation, every generation has one name. And this generation, those who are after 96 born, if he doesn't know about the laptop and everything, the new term they implemented is called tech shame. Tech shame. Okay, you people are fall under the tech shame. Those who doesn't know about laptop after 96 born people. Okay, that means world is believing you that you should be perfect in the laptop operations and everything. Otherwise, you fall in which category? Tech shame. That is also I recently found out that name. Tech shame. Tech shame is a new thing. What exactly tech shame and why does it impact? 21st October 2023. Very new term it is. They implemented in Oxford Dictionary. Tech shame. Okay, how many are in tech shame in our class? I hope no one, no? That is, sometimes I've asked to you, like, how can I speed up my laptop and all these things? How can I remove the files, unwanted files, temporary files? Because that is. So don't fall in the tech shame. When I'm studying in MTech, I went to teach to tuition to one girl. Okay. That girl helped me to learn about Truecaller. There is app, sir, is that Truecaller app is there. That is. Then I realized, okay, one app also is there like that. It's a long back, like 10 years back. That is. Yeah. Okay, next. Concatenation is done. Next is the index operation. Index. So list 3. So Python index start with what, ma? 0. Python index start with 0. Python index start with 0. So that's why list 3 square bracket 0. Which letter will come? First index will come, first letter 1. And list 3 square bracket 1. Second will come. List 3 square bracket 2. Third will come. And so on. So again, whenever I am seeing this, I am very much interested to, can I create using for loop and while loop? Get the numbers by using for loop and while loop. So here for, so what is the generalized expression can I write for this? What is changing? What is common? List 3 is same. List 3 is same. List 3 is same. Then what is changing? List 3 and number, that is I. Number, that is I. How you get the I now? I become now what? I become 0. I become 1. I become 2. I become 3 and so on. You know how to get the numbers by using for loop. Correct? How you get the numbers by using for loop? For I in range of, some numbers. How to get the exact numbers of the corresponding list? Length of list 3. Length of list 3. Correct? What is the length of list 3? 8 is there. Now you are counting here. Now suppose I am counting here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I am writing 8. Then I am printing I. I am printing I. I am printing I. But I don't want numbers. What I want now? I want list items, correct? So how can you get the list item? What is the generalized expression? List 3 square bracket I. So list 3 square bracket I. So list 3 square bracket I means I equal to 0. 0 is coming here, but one letter is coming. That is called A, B, C, D also will come. So I is a number. And when you get the number, you want to get the element, you need to provide the list 3 square bracket of I. Again, what is the drawback here? Your counting manually is the drawback. That is the 8 is the drawback. So you should avoid the count 8. So what you will apply? Length, LGN, length of list 3. It will come. And this is only the positive index, right? And you know how to get the negative index? We already done that. Now positive, now negative index. List 3 minus 1. What is coming? Last letter will come, right? D. That is already done. 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C, D. This is 0. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5, 6, 7. And above 1 is what now? Negative 1. Minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. So it is 8, huh? Yeah. Minus 8 is the last. Minus 8. So this is the minus and this is the plus. All right, the same story. How to get the positive index? How to get the negative index at a time? Can you write like this now? positive index, positive index is and negative index is positive index is negative index is for a element for an element this dot format. Now I need three values. This we already done in the strings concept. Tell me. Positive index is I, that you already know. I, comma. Negative index you need to get. How to convert 0 to -8? How to convert 1 to -7? How to convert 2 to -6? How to convert 3 to -5? That you know. That you need to get. Same, using same this only. No minus length of list here. Tell me this number. What I need to write here. And this automatically what is list 3? Square bracket I. So positive index is 0 for element 1. Now tell me the negative index value. Tell me how to get the negative index. What is the position should come here? A simple aptitude. 0 minus. So I minus, you are saying? 0 means I minus length of list 3. Will it works? Working. That's it. Simple. These questions we did already in the class. Okay. Again, don't show your faces like I'm learning new. This we already done in the class. It means you are not practicing. This we already done. Write a program. Find the elements which are having length less than 3. And your list will be like this. Your list equal to apple, ball, cat, and A, B, C, D, and E, F. Tell me. Write the program. Write a program, find the elements which are having length equal to less than 3. Step 1. Iterate the loop. Iterate the list using for loop or while loop, that your wish. Step 2. That means apply the if condition. Apply the if condition. And step 3. The condition true. What is the condition here? Length of each item. Length of each item, each element less than 3 colon. Then apply the step 3. Print that element. Print that element. I need at least 10 answers. Print that element. That's it, Neeraj. Very good. Easy. Done. I need 10 answers. 10 members. Sabita, Neeraj is good. What about others? Sheb, Afan, Prasanna, Priyanka, Arun, Nikita, Utkarsh, Nagarani. It is good. You just do the step by step how I am returning. Simple. You know how to iterate that, right? That is not that difficult. Raise your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Amma. Utkarsh is good. What happened, ma? What happened for online? Only 5 members has done. Anything is difficult in this question? First, what I written first step? Iterate the loop for I in range of length of list. What is the list I have taken? This is the list. So list 1 and here is the list 1. Print each letter. Print of list 1 square bracket I. Each letter is coming, correct? Each element is coming. Now what we need to do? We need to apply the if condition. If length of list 1 square bracket I less than 3, then colon, then print that list 1 square bracket I. A, B, C, D, F. Any difficulty in this? Tell me. Very, very simple question, no? Very, very simple question. Money done? Very, very simple question. Nothing difficult in this. Now next, one more method what we can do? For I in list 3, list 1. Now here I will become what? Now what? I become elements, not numbers. I become here what? When you use in operator, I become what? Elements. When you range, I become what? Number. This is I told 100 times. Okay. With very shout mouth. Okay. I can say this in the loudspeaker also. But you are forgetting that is. Range means number. In means direct element. Now here, if condition, what I need to write? If length of I less than 3. And then print, what you need to do? Print I. Both are same. But in operator, I become direct element. Range operator, I become a number. This you can use again, while loop also you can implement. But this you can't implement using while loop. Because while loop is nothing but you need to iterator. Iterate means you want increment or decrement. But unfortunately, while loop, you need to provide the incrementation or decrementation or condition. That is. So that's why in operator, when you want to use in operator, when you want to use range operator, you need to fix that. Okay, next question. Write a program, the elements which are having hash symbol. I will not tell the condition, but you write the condition here. Same architecture, but condition now. That's it, Arun. Very good. Tell me. This time I need 20 answers. Sabita is good. Arun is good. What happened? Utkarsh, Srishti, Chita, Neeraj, Nagarani, Priyanka, Suresh is. Why I did find Suresh? You know Python. I know that. But Neeraj and Suresh, I did not teach you that methods. So this method is string. No, what it will give that? This is wrong. That is. I did not find. You are getting a index, no? If index is greater than 0, you are checking that. If index is not there, you are not checking that. I think it works. Yeah, it works. Neeraj and Suresh. How many are done? Raise your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where is the 20 members? 20 answers. What happened, ma? Done, Rani, Priyanka. Not getting. Where is that guy? Is not there here. Hmm. List 1. I need to provide some condition here. Correct? What condition I need to provide? What is I am checking that? Which are having hash, I am saying that. In a string, we have a in operator is there again. That is hash in I. That's it. Simple. Hash in I. If hash in I, the normal English, no? Why I am not getting 100% result? Why I am not getting 100% result? Tell me why I am not getting 100% result? Because you are not practicing the Python. Only the one answer. Not practicing Python, sir. That's why I'm not giving my 100%. Then practice karo na. Give your 100%. Apple, ball, cat, A, B, C, D, F, ash in I. How can we do this? It is all the elements should be equal to I, na? Amja? You tell me what is the meaning of this? First of all, this code is wrong. There are some issues are there in this code. First of all, this is a list is the keyword. You should not give the list, okay? Let's say that list one. And why you are taking this I here, I don't know. This is you need to give length of list one. Here you need to provide a number, na? Amja? You need to provide the number. How you are providing the number here? Length of list one. And this is again you are providing normal brackets. This is also wrong. This code is completely wrong. It will not at all executable. More syntax errors. Square bracket I. Agree with me? Everyone? Not normal bracket. And this is list of I means apple is coming, right? This apple is coming here. Apple is coming here equal to ash. All the letters you are equating what? A single letter. That is the meaning. You need to write like this. Debugging. Take a pen and book like me, no? How I am teaching you from starting day onwards. How I am teaching you. Step by step. Yes or no? Every output we are debugging or not? Every output we are debugging. You should also think like this only. Then only you will get understood whether it works or not. It definitely not works, right? All the characters are equal to single character. But if I write like the same thing, ash in operator, apple like this, what it will give? False it will give. What it will give? False. Because it is not there. When I write that like this, what it will give? True it will give. That is the in operator, no? So like that you need to debug. And please don't do this kind of syntax mistakes like bracket, normal bracket. Don't do like this kind of things. I will be not happy with this. Okay. At least you need to avoid the syntax errors. Logic slowly you will get by practice, right? But avoid the syntax errors. Very good. Great. Next. The same program, if I want to count, how many are there? How can you implement the counter on this? Counter. Yeah, how can you implement the counter on this? How many successful outcomes are coming? Count it. How can you implement the count? The pattern I already given to you. Count the pattern. First, what you need to do? Count equal to 0. Next, what you need to do? Count equal to count plus 1. Then finally, print count. That is only the pattern. See, wrapper. Nothing we are done. Just we are writing the wrapper. 3. Answer is 3. That is the counter. Yeah, correct, Gaurav. It is a counter. Next one. These wrappers you need to remember, ma. That's why I request you to kindly practice. If you are not practice, no one will help you. You are not understanding the value of trainings you are providing. You are not practicing. Next. List 1 is equal to 1, 2, 3. Apple and ball. Find the index of ball. Retrieve the ball. Retrieve the ball using index. Retrieve the ball using index. Retrieve the ball using index. Surender, Saturday presentation. Morning pakka, okay? Retrieve the ball using index. In the given list, how many elements are there? Tell me. In the given list, how many elements are there? The given list, how many elements are there? Say it. 4. Only 4. Pakka. How many are saying 4? Raise your hands. Okay, how many are not saying 4? How many are not saying 4? Tell me. Raise your hands. No, no answer. Huh? This is one element. 2 is another element. 3 is another element. This entire list is another element. How many elements are there? 4 is the correct answer. Any doubts in this? Are you cleared? Any doubts? Again, I'm asking, are you cleared? Any doubts? Pakka, no doubts? How many commas are there? That is the thing, right? Generally. Now, at what index you are identifying the ball now? List 1, square bracket 3. What is coming? Apple and ball. Again, this is in which format? How many elements are there in this? 2 elements. Again, one more square bracket. In order to get the ball, what you write now here? 1 or 0? 1. That is a ball. That's it. That is a ball. Understood? Agree? Let's do this. List 2 is equal to. Cherry. Tell me, who wants cherry? Retrieve the cherry. Who wants cherry? Retrieve the cherry. And give to me. You should not eat that. Okay? Yes. Yeah, that is correct. It's working, right, Gaurav? If it works, it is correct. Don't worry about that. Shoaib is wrong. I hope Neeraj might works. Done. Saurav, done. Done, Kumar. I can't give this to you. You should write by seeing only, okay? I can share it in the chat through online. But how many are there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 open brackets, 7 closed brackets. 7 open brackets, 7 closed brackets. You don't like cherry? You can write another sweet name also if you want. Utkarsh got cherry. Sir, as the index count करना है क्या direct? Did you understand, Shoaib, how we got this ball? Did you understand this? On the same way, you need to get the cherry. You are providing list to 6 you have provided, right? 6 means how many elements are there in the list? Shoaib is written like this first, which means Shoaib is thinking that there are 6 elements are there. 6 elements are there in the list. If 6 elements are there in a list, Shoaib, tell me, Shoaib, if 6 elements are there? No, right? And then why? How can you write 6 then? In this complete list, how many elements are there? Tell me, Priyanka, how many elements are there in the complete list? 1. So first, what you write? List 2, 0. Then again, how many elements are there? 6. Why? 0. Again, 0. Again, 0. Again. You know, there is a movie called National Treasure. 0. And finally got the treasure. Like that. Cherry. So these many things you need to write. Done? Shall we do one more thing like this? Let's see now. List 3 equal to. And here A, B, and 1, 2, 3. And finally, I will give car. Retrieve the car. Retrieve the car. Understood, Shoaib? How we are doing? Yeah. Then retry the car. This answer should provided by Shoaib first. For offline, it is very difficult to see and write that, right? Still, anyone not able to identify, please ask me, but don't sit idle, okay? This classroom is not for those candidates who are sitting idle. This classroom is only for who has got hungry to reach some extent in life, to crack the data science opportunities. For them only this class. If you're not in that mood, don't come to the class. Suresh and Neeraj, let's see. Very good. Still don't look at the board, ma. Okay, look at your laptop only. Don't look at the board. It is already a third one. It is already a third one. So 000020030. 000200030. 000200030. Tell me, ma, why this error is coming? String must be integers, not in list. Maybe the way you have written is wrong, I think. Okay. Let's take this. List 3 equal to what we given? 4 times A, comma, B, correct? And then comma, again one more, 2 list. 1 comma 2 comma 3, again one more list. Car. Okay, that is the way of you written is wrong actually, because you are seeing and writing, right? That's why one list is mismatched. How many are open, how many are closed, that is mismatched. That's why you are getting the error. Understood now? Can you get your understanding how we are getting the output? Yes. Yes. Understood, Shoaib now? Very good, very good, very good. So this is online people are saying the answer. Is it correct or wrong? 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 3, 0. Like a mobile number. If you had one more 1, 2, 3, 9, 7, 8. 000, 2, 0, 3, 0. Done? Easy? Very good. Next, mutable condition. Tell me strings are mutable, list are mutable or immutable? Show me the example. Show me the example. Show me the example. Take one list, change the value of list by using index method. Take one list, change the value by using index method. How we are done in strings? String 1 is equal to welcome, welcome. Now I want to change small l to capital L. I want to change small l to capital L. So for that, what I have done? String 1 square bracket 2 is nothing but a small l. I'm equating with capital L. Then I'm running. It is failed. So that's why I said what I said. Strings are immutable. Strings are immutable. Do the same way with the list. Strings are immutable. Take any list and do like this. Yeah, Arun is good. And Shoaib is good. Yes, Utkarsh, that is good. That's it. So list 1 is equal to A is there, B is there, and C is there. And list 1 square bracket 0 is nothing but A will come. Now I want to change with A with 100. Then list 1 is equal to 100 B C. 100 B C. 100 BC backward crest. 100 AC BC. Before crest. Before crest. So BC means before crest. Tell me what is meaning of AD? Tell me what is meaning of AD? After death. What after death? Who's death? Tell me AD. Your kids definitely scold you. Mama, you doesn't know anything. Papa, you doesn't know anything. Anna Domini. That is. Arey. You don't know AD also. You don't know BC also. You don't know Tech Shame also. You don't know Generation Z also. Huh? Simply you are watching movies and eating and sleeping. Try to get some general knowledge. So this is a mutable. So far we covered what we covered so far. And only slicing is left now. With the slice we can close. Now I will not explain the slicing ma. I will directly give the question now. You need to say the where it is possible or not possible. If it is possible, what is the answer? Okay. List 1 equal to 1 comma 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40 comma 50 and P Y and T H and O and N and A B and C and D. So how many are that? D 5, 5, 10, 10, 5, 15. So list 1, 2 to 14, 3. List 1, 2 to 14 minus 3. List 1, 2 to minus 14, 3. List 1, 2 to, don't execute, okay? 2 to 14 minus 3. List 1, minus 2, minus 2, 14, 3. List 1, minus 2, minus 14, 3. And list 1, minus 2, minus 14, minus 3. And list 1, minus 2, 14, minus 3. 2 minus 14, 3, 2 minus 2, 2 minus. Tell me, possible or not possible? First one. Tell me. Possible? 2, 14, 3. First one is possible. Very good. What is the second one? So 2, 14, but you are asking go back, not possible. Okay. What is the third one? 2 here, minus 14 here, but you are asking go to front. Not possible, right? And fourth one. 2 minus 14, go back side. That is a possible. And fifth one. Fifth one. Possible, possible, possible. Minus 2, 14. Minus 2 here, 14 is front. That is possible. And sixth one. Minus 2, minus 14. Minus 2 here, minus not possible or possible? Not possible. And this one. Possible. Last one. Minus 2 here, 14 is there, and you're asking not possible. Get all the answers. You're doing great. Still, if you're not doing great, don't come to the class now, please. I'm requesting you. Okay, if you're not able to say this, don't come to the class. I'm really, really requesting you. You go labs, spend the lab every day, then only you come to my class. If still you are not able to do this, please don't come to the class. Get all the answers. So not possible means there is a empty string will come here, empty list will come. No error. Okay, no error. There is empty string and here is empty list. Good. So far we covered the part 1 we completed ma. Reading a list, different ways to provide elements, and type we done, minimum you done, maximum we done, sum we done, length we done, and in operator we done, and index we done, and concatenation also we done, right? This is order, right? We are following. Concatenation also we done. Index we done. Next, mutable concept we done. Mutable. And then slice. Very good. This is our done. Part 1 is done. The list. Part 1 string is same. Part 1 list is same. Everything is same. The architecture, the following pattern, what we are doing in the same pattern. So next, this is the part 1 till slicing. Next, what is coming now? Methods will come. What will come? How can you know that which are methods are exist in the list? Tell me. How do you know? D, I, R, bracket, provide any list. Empty list is okay, or list with elements also is okay. Then run it. Then there are some methods will come in the down. What are the methods here? Append is there, clear is there, copy is there, count is there, extend is there, index, insert, pop, remove, sort. Now let's do the word clear and copy first. Clear and copy together. And copy together. Clear and copy together. I am taking a list 1 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to copy these items in. I want copy these elements in a new list that is called list 2. How can I write for that? List 2 equal to list 1 dot. This is a method or keyword? It is a method, not keyword, na? It is a method. So how can you write? List 1 is your original data dot copy, C-O-P-Y, copy, bracket, and again shift tab. Is it taking any arguments? Taking any arguments? No arguments. So directly you can run. Now list 2 equal to again 1, 2, 3, 4. Total copy. Every element will copy. Shallow. Shallow is the normal meaning is what? Deep, right? Shallow is not deep. Overall means follow. Is the opposite of deep. There is a copying overall. That's it. That's just done as shallow. It will copy all things. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if you want to clear the elements of list 1, list 1 dot clear. List 1 dot clear. Now, clear also will not take anything. It remove all the items from list. And then we are running this. Now, list 1. Now, print of list 1. List 1. Print of list 2. Print of list 2. That is equal to comma list 2. Now, tell me what is this output now? It is empty list. What is this output now? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is the clear and copy. We are copying and we are clearing. We are copying and we are clearing. Copy and clear. Yes, copy and clear. Okay, so that's all today, ma. We can complete all the methods remaining tomorrow. Okay, in the same way, today you complete the string write up till slice. Okay, so what you need to write, how you will write now? Same thing. First, you need to put side heading, and then you need to write the code. You need to write the code, and then you write your observation or insight. What is insight or what is your observation from above code? From above code. These three things you need to write. Side heading, write the code, insight and observation, and you should explore the code also in and out. In and out. What is coming error? You know it is coming error, but you need to explain to your kid or you want to explain to your brother why this error is coming. Because this we want to upload in the LinkedIn. Now what happened? LinkedIn and new people want to Python, they want to learn. How can you teach to a new people? Think like that in mind and write like that only article. Understood? Yeah, start writing. Yeah. First write the method here. I already created here. You need to upload here and I will review that. Here. If you have any doubts, you can ask me now. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. If you want to take a break, you can take a break and come and sit and write here. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Start doing that. Open a new notebook, ma. Open a new notebook. Open new notebook. Write that. Tell me. ఇంకా అది ఎట్లా కూడా చేయాలి అనుకున్నావు కదా సింగిల్స్ ఒక్కసారి ఎట్లా తీసుకుంటారు అదే వాడు ఏమంటాడు ఇంత వచ్చేసి నాట్ డేటా కన్వర్ట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు కదా 1 2 3 ఇప్పుడు ఈ మొత్తాన్ని కోర్స్ వచ్చింది స్క్వేర్ బ్రాకెట్ కూడా ఒక లెటర్ వస్తుంది స్క్వేర్ బ్రాకెట్ ఒక లెటర్ టీ ఒక లెటర్ టూ ఒక లెటర్ 3 లెటర్ తీసుకోవాలి లెంత్ ఆఫ్ బ్రాకెట్ మీకు ఎన్ని వస్తాయి 1 2 3 4 5 స్క్వేర్ బ్రాకెట్ కామన్ అలా మొత్తం చేయాలి మొత్తం చేసేది మొత్తం చేసి రిమోట్ డబుల్ అంటే మనకు నార్మల్ ఇట్లా బూల్ అని పెట్టి మళ్ళీ చేయాలి ఆయిల్ that is only the idea and slowly you will understand if the java manager all is different is very good